When you log into Dreamer to Profitable, this is what you're going to see. You have all of the modules and lessons here on the left, and you can scroll through these and see that they're all separated by category. So we have Module 3, Revenue Streams, Module 4, Accelerate Your Success by Creating Systems, Finances, all the different modules, the bonuses, the replays, all of that here on the left-hand panel. And it's also going to mark how far along you are as well. So in the welcome module, you're going to see here that there is a private Facebook group for you to join. There's an onboarding form. I've also created a content schedule. So for you to keep track of everything of where you're at with checking off if you've watched it or not. And what you're going to do for this is create a copy in your own Google Drive. So it's a content schedule. Then I also have this resources and links, and this has some downloads for you. And if you click them, you can just download them. So one of the new bonuses is the Income Streams Roadmap. So you just click to download. It's going to open it up in a new tab. And then here is the roadmap for you. It's a PDF broken down by revenue stream. Then you can go over here and just download it to your computer as well. So you can download it right to your computer. So that is some of the resources, and then there's other resources here as well. And I'm constantly growing this library so that if you're looking for client management software, you can come right here. You can find the best of the best, my favorite items here, my favorite resources or tools that I use, different things like that. So that is the resources and links. Then if we look here, you're going to see the modules. So you're going to click into the module, and then there's going to be a video there for you for each module. Some modules have different resources as well. So like for instance, this one here also has a PDF that goes with it. Sometimes they will have text or resources. So like Virtual Assistant, this one has some resources above it. Then it has the roadmap here that you can download individually for Virtual Assistant, or a Virtual Assistant ideas list, and then the video is down below. With each module, there is also action items. So here's the action items for Module 1, Clarity and Confidence. So each week it's going to have action items for you to complete to really get you focused, and then also a Facebook group prompt. And then if you click this, it's going to bring you to the Facebook group, which is a private group. And here you're going to be able to ask questions, engage with the group, see what other people are asking, and then also answer this prompts as well. There's going to be a prompt for each week that you can answer and see everyone else's of what's inspiring them or what the prompt is. So this is a great way just to stay on task for the 90 days. There's also a section of tech walkthroughs and over the shoulder, so you can see different tech tutorials, and you'll be able to see exactly click by click how to use them. Like this one is click by click, how to use Flowdesk, how to set up your Flowdesk account, which is the email software that I use. And then also we have bonuses here, and then live replay workshops. So if I do a workshop on different topics, like this one is planning for the new year with a Google Doc, you're going to see all of those. And then as well as recordings for the group coaching calls. So you can see the past group coaching calls, if there's any links that I mentioned, and then you'll be able to watch the coaching call here, the replay for it. So you can get all of those resources there in the replays that we've had in the past, or if you're unable to attend one, then you can watch the replay. So that's everything inside Dreamer to Profitable. Let me know if you have any questions below.